What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shavon, and as y'all can see by this title of this video, I'm about to do a MFing prank on Javon Bennett. Okay, I'm getting tired of him pranking me. Okay, guys, like he's been pranking me nonstop. Period. Pooh. That's it. He's been pranking me, so I'm about to prank him back. So as y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be pulling a pregnancy prank on him. I'm going to be like, babe, I haven't been feeling well. I've been sleeping a lot lately. I've been hungry, craving weird stuff. So, I think I need to take a pregnancy test or something. And he's going to be confused or whatever, but it's going to be hilarious, guys. So, I'm going to show you all the pregnancy tests that I have. I bought this pregnancy test off Amazon. I bought this off Amazon, and you know it's the fake positive test. It's the fake one. So I did this prank on him a while back when we first started dating, and he gave me a good reaction, but the only thing is we weren't doing YouTube. And I didn't record it because I was at my house, he was at his house, and I just told him over the phone. But he gave me a good reaction, so hopefully he doesn't remember that time, and hopefully he gives me the same reaction. But yeah, guys, I'm going to be pulling a prank. So y'all stay tuned for that prank. He gets off, I believe he gets off at 1 o'clock. I'm not sure. But when he gets off, I'm just going to hop straight up into the video. I'm not going to let him rest. I'm not going to let him take his work clothes off or nothing. I'm going to hop straight into this video. So, stay tuned for that prank, guys. Next clip, he's going to be here. So, peace. Prank time, Jeff. Alright, guys. Before I start this prank, I'm going to set up another camera in the bathroom, in the restroom. I'm going to set one up here, and I'm going to set one up in there. So, I'm going to show y'all really quickly how it looks. I set this one up right here. It should be coming any minute now. Okay, he's taking forever.
Huh? Okay, alright. Baby? I'm home. What you doing? Listen to your favorite song. Huh? I'm hungry as hell, man. I was gonna go in the kitchen and get some food. Huh? What's up?
We need to talk. How's work?
Huh?
How's work?
Work was good.
Work is good.
Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
What?
We need to talk.
About what? You doing this?
Huh?
You doing that?
We need to talk.
About what?
I think I'm pregnant.
Okay.
I think I'm pregnant.
What do you think you're pregnant?
Because I've been feeling weird, and I missed my period. I'm late by like 2 weeks.
Hold on. So I was with you last night. You was in here last night. You was in here the day before. The day before that, you say you was pregnant. So all of a sudden you're pregnant?
Babe, because I just looked at my period tracker. Granted, it is off sometimes, but it says 2 weeks.
Okay, so
That's alarming.
Well, you've been laying your period for plenty of times. I mean, not
But
plenty of
that's
times.
only been a couple days. It haven't been weeks.
So are you feeling like sick or something? Like, what are you trying to say?
I mean, this morning.
Because there's no way you can be pregnant, bro. Like, there's no way you can be
Babe,
pregnant.
this morning I felt a little lightheaded, but I thought it was.
Okay,
because I
this
was
morning
hungry.
you didn't feel lightheaded yesterday?
I said this morning.
Okay, but you didn't feel lightheaded yesterday and the day before that. You missed 2 weeks.
Babe,
Babe, what?
Why are you grilling me on this?
Bro, I'm not even laughing, bro, because I don't believe that shit, bro. Where you get that shit from, though?
I went to the store this morning.
So cause you see people. Well, hold the hell up.
What?
Ain't you on birth control anyways?
I am.
Why you keep laughing, bro? This shit serious,
Because
bro.
you was goofy.
Oh my goofy, bro. I'm being for real, though. I'm not even laughing, bro. Like I'm dead ass, bro. You get your pill right there. Do you take your pill?
I take my pill.
So how the hell can you be pregnant then?
Babe, those things are not 100% accurate.
You been taking that shit for a year though.
Babe, it says 99.9%.
Bro, this shit don't make no sense, bro. You been taking this shit for a year though, bro. What you got this shit for, bro?
Because I want to take the test to be sure.
To be sure of what?
If I'm pregnant.
What if you are pregnant? Then what?
Then I'll have a baby. We gotta get ready for it.
My God, I just got out first, bro. I ain't coming here to this bullshit. This BS, bro. Like,
Babe.
you could have texted me on the phone or some shit. You waited till I got
No,
home.
why would I text you about this type of stuff?
Cause it's just random out the blue.
No, it's
like,
not. I mean, well, yeah, but I mean, that's how I feel too.
Did you tell your mama or granny or somebody?
No, I did not tell him.
So I'm the first person you told
You're the
something?
first person, as it should be.
I mean, I guess, but still, this is just so random, and I don't even know what to say or do. Like, so what if you're pregnant? Then what?
Then we just gonna have to take care of what we need to take care of, and then we have to raise the baby.
Bro, this shit don't make no sense, bro.
Why
Yo.
you sit there?
So where the hell is your pills at?
I take them.
So where you say new packet? So you took one today?
Yes.
So you still, bro, this shit don't make no sense, bro.
Babe, I've
It's
heard
no
a
way you
lot
can
of
be-
Babe, I heard a lot of people to get pregnant on birth control. Even someone told me that her sister friend got pregnant with the birth control you put in your arm, and then somebody got pregnant with the birth control you put in your vagina. It's
Bro, I ain't
not
telling you no bullshit about
100%.
nobody else, bro. I'm talking about
I'm
us.
telling
Well, okay.
I'm telling you
You
that
talking-
birth control is never 100% accurate.
But you've been taking it for a year though,
I know, but it don't
and
mean
everything
that
is
I'm.
smooth. So what do you mean, like? this
I
shit
don't
make no
know.
sense. So you telling me I'm not little junior running around? I'm being for real though.
I'm being for real too.
Well, you keep laughing.
Yes.
It's just a joke, bro.
Because you goofy.
So you're already to the pillar? I mean, you're already to the test already?
No, I'm waiting for you.
But I'm here now, so.
So let's go take it.
Wait, you finna take that right now?
Yes. I was waiting for you to get off of work so we can take it together.
Bro, I'm not ready, bro. We got trips planned and shit, bro. You talking about babies, bro?
We can still go on them. It's not like they're 5 years from now.
That shit, bro.
And then we can have a baby moon.
I know what?
A baby moon.
That's a baby moon.
It's like your last trip before you give birth.
Bro, you bluffing, bro. I'm
How
believe this shit,
bluffing?
bro. You bluffing, bro.
Okay, come on. It's 2 pregnancy tests. I'll take both of them for you.
Huh?
Come on, let's go.
But, bro, you're not getting in your head. If you pregnant, then what gonna happen?
Babe, that's why I need to take this test.
But what if you are pregnant then, huh?
If I'm
what we
pregnant-
gonna do?
Get out. Get out of my face.
Bro, this shit's not funny, bro. I just got her freaking hit me with this.
Babe,
crap,
okay,
bro.
if I'm pregnant,
If you was
what would
pregnant,
you
you
want
would
me
do
to
that
do?
shit yesterday.
What would you want me to do?
What you mean, what you want me
What
to do?
would you want me to do?
I don't know, do something.
You want me to get an abortion? You want me to get adoption? What you want me to do? Miscarriage? What you want me to do?
First of all, you don't believe adoption, all that shit.
I do
What-
believe
what
in
you telling me that
adoption.
shit for?
I don't
You
believe in
pregnant, bro?
abortion, but I believe in adoption.
Bro, so you feel a take test?
Yes.
Alright, go take test then, bro. Take test.
Come
I'm
on.
not believing that it's the bumbo club. A joke.
Yeah, you are believing this bumper clock.
Bro, why you taking this shit for a joke though, bro?
Because. You still gonna love me?
You gonna love you. Of course I gotta love you.
You gotta. You said it like you.
But you carry my child, you carry my son or daughter, bro. Of course I gotta love you, bro. You know I don't believe this shit. You laughing, bro. Hurry up and take the pill, bro. Damn, you like
Boy.
funny.
Okay, babe.
Nigga just got up freaky. You talking about you pregnant and shit, bro? Shit don't make no sense. You was just in here yesterday, so how come you was just in here yesterday, so how come...
Man, I don't know. You act like I know how female bodies just.
So out of the blue, you wake up this morning, oh, and you didn't text me all day and say, okay, you feel weird.
Wait, because I was trying to figure out what was going on.
Bro, this shit can't be real, bro.
I'm gonna take it then. You're gonna see. I'm about to take it. I'm about to take it.
This shit can't be real, bro. Hold on,
Yep, I'm gonna take it.
to call my mom real quick. Oh, shit.
Babe, do not call your mom.
Why?
Don't call your mom.
Bro, if you pregnant, you gotta tell somebody. You don't tell your parents and
You
that.
want me to take both of them or just one?
What?
You want to take both or just one?
Man, I don't know. Take 10. Shit, I don't know.
You're so annoying. Alright, I took 2.
What's the result?
It says give it a couple minutes. So we're gonna give it a couple minutes. And then
Bro, this shit can't be real, bro.
we're gonna deal with it.
This shit can't be real, bro. It's ready yet?
No, it's not ready, babe. Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous, bro. This is random. I don't know.
Okay, so what if it's positive? Positive, we're having a baby. Negative is no baby. 2 lines is yes, 1 line is no.
Man, this shit crazy, bro. This shit crazy. How the hell am I telling mom though? How you gonna tell your mom too? How you gonna tell Granny of all person, bro? But why you keep laughing? Man? This shit is fun. This shit is not fun, bro.
I know this
I'm
is
gonna try to
serious.
keep on laughing like hell. You have laughing? Guess something. Stop laughing, man. Take something serious once, man.
I'm trying. Stop acting like that.
How you want, Fiak? Eh?
I don't know how you feel act.
Is it ready yet?
No.
Ready yet?
No, I don't know.
What do you mean you know? I ain't heard about that shit, bro.
I already took it.
Well, is it what did it say?
Let's go sit down.
Why?
Because we gotta brace ourselves. If it's positive, buddy. Okay. You wanna look like?
Yeah, everybody's father. This is a baby. You have to wake up tomorrow. Feeling rich.
You see how you play? You annoying.
Cause I don't live shit, but that shit's not real, bro. What's it say? No, you gotta look at that shit first. Right?
I'm scared.
So you don't think I'm scared? You don't want. Wait. Come on. Every freaking day you talking about you want a baby. You want milk. You talking about
You so goofy.
I'm up in that thing like.
Boy.
You talking about you? No,
Okay, you ready?
What is it?
You look. Babe,
What you say?
it's 2 lines.
Wait, 2 lines means negative, right?
No, babe, 2 lines.
Yo!
Come, babe. Babe.
Hey, that can't be real. That can't be real.
Having a
Look,
baby.
man, we gonna retake this shit, man.
I can't retake it. I ain't got no more. It's
Wait,
just 2.
we finna go to the dog store now. That shit can't be real, bro. I finna have a little junior, babe.
Yes.
Holy shit.
What?
Holy shit.
I'm so happy. I'm happy, but I'm nervous and I'm scared at the same time.
How the hell we gonna tell Granny and Mama then, bro?
I can tell Mama. Granny, we just gonna have to wait till we have a baby. We're gonna move to.
You know you thinking crazy shit now.
We're gonna move to Jamaica, and then we can call Granny. Hey, Granny,
Fucking crazy, bro.
we had a baby.
Bro, this shit not even funny, bro.
Oh my
I
God.
gotta call Mama right now.
Babe. Who you calling? No, I'm not ready to tell nobody yet.
What do you mean you never tell nobody about
Babe, we're supposed to have this moment. This is for us.
Okay, cool. So what?
We can look. We
So
can.
what do we do right now?
We have to schedule an appointment. We have to schedule an appointment.
Jesus Christ.
We have to. I'm gonna call my OBGYN.
Bumbo Club, dog.
And we're going to get an appointment. We're going to take a pregnancy test at the hospital. We're gonna. I'm nervous.
I'm finna cry, dog.
Oh my gosh, it's 2 lines. Babe. Gotta go. We gotta pick out baby names.
It's probably one of the nervous that, like, it's probably one. I don't know.
Okay, let me put this in. This is urine on here. We gotta pick out baby names. We got to. I've always thought Tristan was a pretty name. Was
Bro,
a cute name for a boy.
You over here picking baby names, bro?
Babe, we have to be prepared.
For what? For baby names?
We gotta pick who the godparents are gonna be.
We got godparents and baby names. Oh
We
my
gotta-
fucking God, bro. What about the parents, my guy? You didn't talk about that? No. Your mom, your dad, and my mom, my dad. You talking about babies and names and shit, bro?
Babe, no, we're not ready to tell our parents yet.
So when you go plan and tell them?
We're gonna tell them after the appointment. We have to
When
make
is the appointment?
the appointment whenever we make it.
How long do it take to get the appointment?
It depends on how booked she is. If she's booked
You
up.
know he's a girl.
Because I'm calling my doctor.
I don't know. Like, it's like I'm 50-50. Nervous, happy, emotional. No!
Babe, we're gonna have to move out.
Move out where?
You have to move out your mom's house. I'm gonna have to move out my grandma's house. We can get a small place for right now. This YouTube thing is gonna take us to next levels. And then I'm about to do my externship, so that'll be another source of income. They don't look so scared.
I'm not scared, just surprised me. It's my first child, girl. I don't know what you're saying. I know, dog.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, I'm really
Babe, are we gonna be good parents? You don't even like kids.
I can't believe this, dog. I think that thing like, I'm up in that thing like, I'm having a kid, bro.
Well, if that's what you get when you're doing all that,
Damn, bro.
maybe we'll have a baby. Oh, baby. Are you happy?
No, you're surprising.
Hmm?
You're surprising.
It's just surprising. So you're not mad, you're not angry.
Fuck birth control shit. That shit don't work.
I told you, like, it works when it wanna work. But we're gonna have a baby.
I got to put it on Snapchat. Can I put it on Snapchat?
No, you can't put it on
You can't tell
Snapchat.
nobody?
Nobody can know. Nobody can know. Okay, look, after we do our first appointment, we cannot tell no one until after the first trimester, midway into the second
First
trimester.
what?
Trimester. It's like the first period, the first stage of your pregnancy. You have I believe it's the first, second, third, and fourth trimester, something like that. But after the first trimester, midway into the second trimester, is when I want to tell people. And then we gotta, I don't want to know the baby's gender until, you know, I'm showing a little bit more. Then I want to have a gender reveal. I want to have a baby shower. I probably want to have two baby showers.
She's like, you kind of ahead, huh?
Yes.
But you already know what she's going to do.
I want to have 2 baby showers. And then for the birth of our baby, I want to have, I'm thinking of a home birth. What do you think of a home birth?
To be honest, I'm not thinking about none of that crap. I'm still trying to process this in my head.
That we having a baby?
Yes. You over here, you thinking way
Babe, I'm
2020.
so scared to like have my, babe, can you just picture me? Can you? Can you picture me? Have a little, have a little belly. Oh.
Bro, I still can't believe this shit, bro. Bro, I'm gonna have a little mini running around. Ooh, he can dress like me. We can dress together like twins.
What if it's a girl?
Well, I guess you can dress like you. I hope it's a boy, but we can dress like twins. We go barbershop together. We can go shooting range.
No. Okay, you know what, babe? I gotta tell you something else.
But
I gotta tell you something. It's about this pregnancy test. It's a fake.
what the fuck?
It's
What was you playing me, bro? How was this fake?
It's a prank.
Oh, where the camera at? Where the camera at?
It's a prank.
Where's the camera
The
at?
camera is right there. That's the camera. Then I have one in the shower.
You gotta be fucking kidding.
It's one in the shower.
Bro, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
It's a prank.
So we're not having a baby? You're not having a baby?
Not yet.
So hold up. Who the hell you got a fake pregnancy test on?
I ordered off Amazon. But you ain't seen that fake pregnancy test prank going around on YouTube and all this smart stuff? Really? But yeah, it's a prank, babe.
Damn, bro.
I'm not pregnant. It's a false pregnancy false positive test. So it's gonna say positive either way. You can put it in hot sauce. You can put it in water. You can put it in orange juice. You can put it in piss. You can put it in vinegar. You put it in whatever you want to put it in. It's gonna say positive.
I can't believe this shit, dog.
You can piss on it and it'll say positive.
I can't believe I'm not pissing on that shit. That shit say I'm pregnant. That was weird.
Guys can get pregnant.
I don't think that bullshit.
But it's a prank. It's a prank.
God, that camera know it's crazy, bro. That camera know. Camera, you know it's right, bro. She did me wrong, bro. That's why you stopped, bro.
Yep.
That's what we're recording.
Yep. It's a prank, babe. How do you feel? How do you feel I pranked you?
I hate you.
Babe, you remember all them pranks you be doing on me? I'm tired of it. I'm tired. That's it. Period. Pooh. I'm tired. I'm pranking you back. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. But yeah, guys. So if y'all like this prank that I did on him, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Comment in the comment section below, Team Shy Money.
Javon.
Shy Money.
Yo, Team Jevy, bro. Cause we
No.
coming back with it, bro.
No, he not.
This some bullshit.
No, he not. No, he not. What? I got more in mind anyway. So
More
come
in
on,
mind what?
come on. So yeah, guys.
I've been going easy on you, but I'm gonna stop though.
Oh.
Stop going easy on you. Let's go.
Okay, okay, guys. I'm about to end this video right here because I'm about to knock his lights out.